Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So we're going to go through an article that was put out by the NAA that is to do with the completion of the road or the section from Harborview to Yallows. So we're going to go through the article and then we discuss it after. The National Works Agency is ramping up efforts to ensure that the work on the road from Harborview to Yallows in St. Thomas is completed to help reduce traffic congestion on the thoroughfare. Communication and Customer Service Manager at the NAA, Stephen Shaw, said that as of July 11th, motorists will be directed to use the new embankment along the route as works continue to repair 5 old water lines along the current road. Mr. Shaw said some 10 kilometers of new water lines will be laid. He provided the update on the South Coast Highway Improvement Project during an interview. We did repair work with the National Water Commission on those 5 leaks, and they did work to smooth over the area as best as possible for traffic to move through. But we are not satisfied with what we have, and that is why we're working to get them motorists on the new section of road while we work on the side where the old pipelines are going to be retired, Mr. Shaw said. He informed listeners that the road spans roughly 17 kilometers with a 4-lane highway. We have already completed paving works, brought the road up to the paving level at about 14 kilometers. So we have about 3 kilometers outstanding, and the contractors are really pushing with the particular deadline in mind, he disclosed. The works are being carried out by China Harbour Engineering Company Limited. Meanwhile, Mr. Shaw noted that 5 roadways will be completed by October this year under the project. The 5 sections include Tranche 1 of the border of Portland and St. Thomas, the route from Morant Bay to Surge Island, then to Cedar Valley, Morant Bay to White Horses, and Morant Bay to Prospect. The entire project, which has been divided into 16 packages, is slated for completion in 2025. Alright, so that is the end of the article. So recently, it became clear to everyone all of a sudden that the NAA needs to provide more oversight on this project. So the NAA will provide direct oversight to ensure the contractor meets its targets, and the Prime Minister directed China Harbour Engineering Company, who is the contractor, to increase its resources to expedite the project's completion. So, as it is, this road would not finish by August if it continues as is. So that is why the government is trying to basically monitor the contractor some more to ensure that the road is finished. Now, something else that I won't bother get into the details. So this is one of the sections of the roadway that's finished. So this entire project is to go from Kingston to Harborview. From Harborview to Portland. And it's 100, and the entire project is 123 kilometers. But of course, they have to do it in sections. So the section we're driving on is the 17-kilometer section from Harborview to Yallows. That is what he was speaking about when he said 17 kilometers of roadway and 14 kilometers has been paved. So this is one of the paved sections that he was talking about in the article. This section is between the Suncoast Adventure Park and Albion Heights. As you can see, it's a very nice highway. It's delayed, and this section looks very good. There are some sections that are terrible, but this is the section he's talking about. Now, we're coming up to Albion Heights where this section isn't paved yet. So 3 kilometers of roadway left to be paved according to the article. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the progress, how fast they're moving with this project. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.